Still packing nails manually in your factory? Manual nail packaging is time-consuming, labor-costly, and always causes inconsistent packing accuracy. If you're running a nail factory, fastener workshop, or construction material business, it's time to upgrade your packaging line. Today we show you our fully automatic nail carton packing machine, specially designed for the fastener and nail manufacturing industry. This machine supports automatic feeding for multiple nail types, including wire nails, common nails, and concrete nails. No more manual sorting and feeding. The whole process is fully automated for your production line. Equipped with high-precision weighing system, it ensures every carton has accurate nail weight, avoiding packaging errors and product complaints. From automatic feeding, precise weighing, carton filling to automatic conveying, all procedures are finished by the machine automatically. With stable mechanical performance and high packing accuracy, it solves the biggest pain points of traditional manual packing. Different from manual work, this industrial packing machine supports 24/7 continuous operation. It greatly reduces your labor costs, cuts down manual errors, and significantly improves your packaging efficiency and daily output. It is a cost-effective upgrade for medium and large nail factories and construction fastener enterprises. FFI is a professional manufacturer of nail-making machinery. Feel free to contact us for customized, complete nail production and packaging solutions tailored to your factory.